Ebiya bigambo byabari omu kusherura Karuru mbichweke bya Choli omu district ya Alamo hamwe na Gulu. Mukasheshe k'eriizooba ihanga lya Uganda bakira omu keekango bwanyuma ya butandu y'amaani yabaho abantu abari kuringa omuri 40 bakafeeraho. Ekintu eki kyagemesereza omwebembezi w'ihanga atakatangire kugamba obu yaba nashaba obururu yabanza yayereka okushasha kwe ahari abo abafeerwa abantu baabo.
I want to extend my condolences to the people of Uganda on the accident of the people who died on the accident on the road in Kiriandongo. I'm very sorry to hear that.
President Museveni yajumirira bona kwehara okuvugisa ekimama hamwe n'okuvuga binkwatire ki. Minisita w'enshonga z'ebigwererezi kandi ari omunyishengyero w'ekyanga eki kugamba ko yashoborera ku district egi obwire obu tibakine muntu weena atari kuhagira ekibiina kya NRM ahabwe byekubakoriire. Ogu yaraganisa okuruhirira abantu b'omu kicweka kya Choli abateganisiibwe entaro za Koni omu bwire bw'entaro.
Some leaders also pointed out that in the case of Acholi, the war was here from the beginning and it stayed longer.
Sorry?
In the case of Acholi, the committee also pointed out that the war was in Acholi for longer and it was here mostly here, the war was mostly here. And therefore they were saying that we could also look at some of those who legally qualify, also look at them. That's what we are studying.
Omwebembezi w'ihanga General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni nagira nkuko ekibiina kya NRM kikozere omurimo gw'amaani okureebuka ngu hagarukaho obusinge ekyaba ekitari omu bwire bw'ebibiina ebyabire biriho.
By COIN, by ADF, by cattle rustlers, but the NRM has now, supported by you people, has been able now to defeat all these groups, and we have peace now in the whole country, from north to south, from east to west.
Ladiro wa yene tuye yom dare logo kawara ni kere ka bet kere karo ki jemi egini duje machala nyweli me Uganda.
And the cattle rustlers have been disarmed in Karamoja.
Luko diangwa magin ki aki Karamoja benedong giem dong kumberi ki tuwa ruam ki ping lok me ko diang dong tie la temten.
So therefore, when you are assessing, weighing the groups which want to vote, this is the contribution of the NRM. Peace for the first time in Uganda for a long time.
Ogu yashobora ngo abantu balamo bino kwetegereza omuntu obarazi kukwasa ihanga akaritwara omisho okutari kuhereza abo bobutegeki abari kweyendeza.
So you need to see how Chagulanyi can keep peace in Uganda.
Nadiru wa yini endong umierwan kong wanen kada Chagulanyi matiela lawi nupi twero beru la lawi Uganda loro kolo chalo eni.
And Abantu and all those people.
Kilo chu mukena mapola ta chalo muntu gi madong jo mukena nyingi pe kwane tumi.